I'm Dr. Carly York with Resources Real Estate, and this is your open house tour of 32 Highland Avenue, Leonardo, New Jersey. Today we are touring the completed new construction at 32 Highland Avenue. This house features all wood floors in natural finish throughout the entirety of the house, both upstairs and downstairs. It's a beautiful, well-lit, open concept living area, dining room, and kitchen on the lower level. Was spared in creating this kitchen with quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances. It's got a beautiful center island with plenty of extra storage and cabinetry. Outside, your Trex deck walks out to an adorable backyard with views of the town park around the corner. An elegant chandelier on a beautiful staircase welcomes you to the second story of the house. There's a spacious landing area for all of the bedrooms to open onto. At the top of the staircase, there's the center hall bathroom with double sinks and a beautiful combination shower tub. The first bedroom has 2 closets and bright windows. The second bedroom has large corner windows and a huge closet. The third bedroom has a lovely window and deep closet. At the rear of the house is the primary bedroom. Has an ensuite bathroom with double sink vanity and a walk-in shower with a huge shelf and a rainfall shower head. The primary bedroom also features a walk-in closet complete with shelving. The primary bedroom is surrounded by bright windows. The house is conveniently located a quick bike ride or car ride away from the Leonardo State Marina and the Leonardo Township Bayshore beaches. The house is also great for commuters with a very short ride to the Sea Streak Ferry Dock in Atlantic Highlands. Make 32 Highland Avenue your new home today.